Hello, Assalamualaikum, and good day, everyone. So today we meet again in our English class, and I want to teach you how to make your sentences look more fabulous. Macam mana kita nak buat ayat kita tu biasa-biasa je, tapi dia nampak luar biasa. And you are with me, Sir Syafiq, and I'm teaching at SK Mak Lagam, Kemaman, Terengganu. So let's go. Okay. Today, I want to give you only one tip. Satu tip sahaja. The other day, lepas-lepas ni kita akan belajar the next tips. Okay? Tip number 1. Change the typical word, perkataan yang kita biasa dengar, to another same meaning words. Kita guna perkataan lain yang maksud dia sama. Jadi tidaklah ayat tu kita baca tu boring je, ayat sama je. Perkataan sama je. Kita guna perkataan yang lain. Okay, contoh. Number 1, food, meal. We change food to the meal. Okay. The food on the table look delicious. Okay. We change the food to the meals. Okay. The meals on the table look delicious. Okay. This is example number 1. Contoh number 1. Next. Drinks. We change to beverage. Okay. The restaurants give us free drinks. Okay. We change the drinks. Okay, maksudnya sama, kita tukar perkataan je. The restaurants give us free beverage. Beverage. Nampak macam lain sikit, walaupun perkataan dia tu sama maksud je. Next, delicious, sedap. Kita tukar pada scrumptious. Kalau kita guna scrumptious kan jarang dengar perkataan tu. Delicious je, so kita cuba ubah. The dishes on the table look delicious. Kita tukar. The dishes on the table look scrumptious. Maksudnya kita tak guna delicious, kita guna scrumptious. Satu lagi kita boleh guna yummy. Next, cheap, affordable. Okay, I bought 2 smartphones because it is cheap. Okay, saya beli 2 smartphones sebab dia murah. Kita tukar pada affordable, berpatutan. I bought 2 smartphones because it is affordable. Ianya berpatutan. Next, important. Kita tukar kepada vital, crucial. Okay. Smartphones become important in our daily life. Important tu kita tukar. Smartphones become crucial in our daily life. Okay. Jadi taklah nampak ayat tu sama je, kita tukar sikit. Jadi lain sikit bunyi dia. Maksud dia sama. Big, ada huge, enormous, large, gigantic, banyak lagi. All fathers give a big influence in their children's life. Okay, ada S patutnya. All fathers give huge influence in their children's life. Okay, maksudnya kita tukar sikit perkataan tu. Small, tiny, minute, little. The car looks so small from other brands. Okay, kita tukar. The car looks so tiny from other brands. Okay. This is among the example. Okay. I want you to copy untuk salin nota-nota yang sebagi ini. And actually there are so many other words. Banyak lagi perkataan lain. Contohnya macam kalau clear, terang, vivid. Next, apa lagi? Kalau sad, heartbroken, heartbroken. Next, apa lagi? Kalau great, kita boleh tukar awesome, magnificent. Macam-macam lagi. But this is among the examples. Sebagai contoh saja. Yang perkataan lain awak boleh cari sendiri. Banyak dalam kamus. In your vocabulary, in your dictionary. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope to see you soon. Welcome back to school. Bye bye.